pro-choice activists will rally in major cities across the country today to protest the overturning of abortion rights in the United States. Julia Bradley is live from Melbourne. Julia, what can we expect?
Well, Matt, we can expect protests across all of our major capital cities, with protests taking place here in Melbourne today, in Sydney, in Perth and in Canberra. Yesterday, about 5,000 people took to the streets in Adelaide, about 1,000 in Brisbane. And this is all about Australians standing in solidarity with pro-choice activists in the United States following the decision by the US Supreme Court to overturn the landmark Roe V Wade case, which has underpinned a woman's right to abortion in the US for about the last 50 years. The US Supreme Court ruling that there is no constitutional right to an abortion, which means it's now up to individual states to make their own laws. And since that decision was made, several states have moved to criminalise abortion, including Kentucky and Utah. So today's protests really about standing in solidarity with those who are pro-choice in the United States, but also some fear that there could be an influence of that decision here in Australia. It was only last year that all Australian jurisdictions moved to decriminalise abortion, with South Australia the last to change its laws. So today's protest in Melbourne will kick off at midday. It will start here at the State Library of Victoria. There'll be a march, there'll be speeches, and it will end up here back in the same spot, Matt.
Thanks, Julia. Julia Bradley there live in Melbourne.